Stovo represent. And on my right, can I get Christian and Lior? Let's go, Bigos represent. Let's go, Rico. No, you just look to you. Alright, DJ, whenever you're ready, spin that. Stovo versus Wildfire, yo. Stovo kids, yo. How about your boys, yo? Come on. Let's go, Joshua. Let's go, Joshua. Nice. Let's go, Lior. Lior represent. Go, Lior.
Go, Lior.
Nice. Couple. Nice. Let's go, Rico. Go, Christian. Nice, Christian. Head of the game. Only 6 years old.
Woo!
Let's go, Christian. Nice. Brad. All right, give it up for that battle, y'all. Like, oh, tricks and everything. Handshake, everyone. Let's go. Nice, very nice. Next up,